Special for you today. As Eid-ul-Adha, also known as Bakra Eid, is just around the corner, it's time to dive into some delicious festive cooking. And today, I'm bringing you a super quick and mouth-watering recipe, hunter beef, perfect for your Eid feast. Now, you might be wondering, what's hunter beef? It's essentially a cured and spiced beef recipe that's wildly popular, especially during festive seasons. It's flavorful, it's hearty, and best of all, it's surprisingly simple to make. Let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need about 2 kilograms of beef. I prefer using a good quality brisket because it holds up well during the cooking and has just the right amount of fat. You'll also need salt, some sugar, and a mix of spices: black pepper, cloves, and cinnamon. Don't forget the special ingredient raw papaya paste, which will tenderize the beef beautifully. First thing first, let's cure the beef. Mix salt, sugar, and your spices together. Rub this mixture all over the beef thoroughly. Then, spread the raw papaya paste over it. This not only tenderizes the meat, but also infuses it with a subtle sweetness that's just divine. Once your beef is well coated, cover it and let it marinate in the fridge. Overnight is ideal, but if you're pressed for time, a few hours will do the trick. Now, it's cooking time. Wrap the beef tightly in foil and bake it in a preheated oven at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 to 4 hours. Yes, it takes a bit of time, but trust me, it's worth every minute. Once cooked, let it rest before slicing. This keeps all those juicy flavors locked in. Serve it hot and watch as it becomes the stun of flavors that brings people together. It's perfect for sharing, which is what Eid-ul-Adha is all about. Gathering with loved ones, sharing joy, and of course, enjoying some fantastic food. So, there you have it. Your ticket to becoming the star chef at your Eid gathering. Try this recipe out and let the rich flavors do the talking. Eid Mubarak, everyone, and happy